Nanoparticles are defined as particles whose diameter ranges between 1 to 100 nanometers. They are characterized by physical and chemical properties resulting from an increase in the surface area compared to the notional size about particles.
There are some factors that made producing nano-iron particles using green chemistry and exploiting them to remove organic dyes from wastewater very important. One of these factors is the pollution resulted from the discharge of organic dyes into water by textile factories in some countries, in addition to the negative impact of some chemical preparations methods of nano-iron particles in the environment.
Given the presence of phenolic compounds in date pit and the availability of date crop in large quantities in the Sultanate of Oman, the research team worked on
1. Preparation of iron nanoparticles using Omani date kernel extract. 2. Testing the applicability of iron nanoparticles as a catalyst for removing methyl violet dye. 3. Study the effect of temperature on the time required to remove dyes.
After planning for the project and reviewing scientific studies and research, the experiment was implemented.
First, prepare date pit extract by drying, grinding, and boiling it with water. Second, add 15 ml of date pit extract and 30 ml of aqueous iron 3 chloride and use a centrifuge to separate the solid part and send the sample to Nizwa University to ensure that the iron particles reach nano size. Third, add 10 mg of the nano-iron sample to the water from which you want to remove the methyl violet dye and observe the change in color. Fourth, conduct an experiment to study the effect of different temperatures on the time required to remove dyes.
The results have proven that 1. The presence of different concentration of phenolic compounds in date kernel powder, the highest for the compounds p-hydroxide benzoic and proto-catachoic, ranging between 8.84 mg and 9.89 mg. 2. Microscopic examination TEM also demonstrated the formation of nanoscopic iron samples whose size ranges between 2 to 100 nanometers.
3. The results of infrared spectrum analysis indicate the presence of C double bond O and a decrease in the emissions rate between 400 to 500, which indicates the vibrations and expansions of the Fe bond O. This confirms the formations of iron nanoparticles in the form of iron oxide. 4. By studying the effect of temperature on the dye removal time using UV vis, it was observed that it takes 30 minutes to remove dyes at 25 degrees Celsius, and when the temperature is doubled to 50 degrees Celsius, the time decreased to half. From this research, we found out that less than 100 nanometers iron nanoparticles are successfully prepared. The produced iron nanoparticles are highly effective in removing methyl violet dye. The efficiency of dye removal increases with the increase of the temperature.
Therefore, the research team recommends 1. Using date pit to manufacture iron nanoparticles. 2. Utilizing iron nanoparticles to manufacture custom filters to remove organic dyes.
Our product is organic, environmentally friendly, non-toxic, safe, high effective, and low cost. Our target class is business to business. Its price is also competitive compared to other companies, where 1 ton of its costs $78, and that price is low compared to the competing products.